Hello everybody. If you're looking out to stop or pause your Wi-Fi connection temporarily on your Android device, in today's video we are gonna guide you through simplest method for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So for your entire phone, the quick methods are you can swipe down from your main screen, double swipe, and access a quick settings panel. And you just need to tap on the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off, and not turn it on until you want a Wi-Fi connection back again. This is one of the method available. You can just go over and do so. Apart from this, what you can do is you can just go over to your settings app. So go to settings for that. And once you go to your settings, you may just go over and look out for connections option and look out for the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. And directly look out for the toggle option at the top to disable it like this. And this is how you do it. That should probably stop and pause it for a while on your Android device. Or if not this, if you have any router specific applications for your router, you can basically look out for your device list and you can use the pause icon next to the device for on-demand blocking. That is how you do it. That should temporarily disable the work application and notifications without affecting personal use. So those are probably the method you can follow up. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.